Alright guys, sorry I've been gone for a while, but my computer completely just ate itself back in June, and I have not been able to upload anything, and actually I still do not have a computer, so this video is completely unedited, so hopefully I don't screw up. What I have today is an 80's G1 Yamaha golf cart. This is a Sun Classic. I have no room to move in here because my grandpa unfortunately passed away back in October, and I have inherited a few small things that taking up a lot of room. That's okay. But yeah, this thing's in pretty rough shape. They actually hit a tree, so I have some fiberglass work to do. Yay for that. I'm going to do a complete color change on this, obviously, because this white is just disgusting. The engine compartment, amazingly, was complete. I do have the carburetor pulled out and most of the fuel system because all of that is bad. I will be making a video on how to change the crank seals, so that'll be fun. Stay tuned for that. I was able to get the electrical working for the most part. So, turn signal indicators, horn, headlights, all that fun stuff. And this thing is so ridiculous it even has a reverse beep. How pathetic is that? We may be losing the beep. I don't like the beep. But I do love the really fake air conditioning that this thing has. These vents go in here, but they painted over everything. It used to have really nice wood grain in here, and they painted over all of it. So I'm going to have to replace that. I peeled all that out. But to open the vent, you just push this, and ha! This thing is so crappy. It just looks 80s, this whole thing. It just screams 80s. Hey, look. I cleaned the mirror. It was so packed full of dirt behind the lenses. Every time you'd hit it, it would just rain dirt. This thing came off of a farm, and it was really quite disgusting. Anyway, I don't want to go on too long because I have not been charging my camera the entire time. I have not had a computer, and I have no battery. It's fixing to die. So stay tuned for this. Hopefully when the tax return comes in, I'll get a computer and we will get to work on this thing. I am dying to take this engine out, but I'm going to wait so I can show y'all. So give me a thumbs up, stay tuned, and I have not forgot about y'all. I will be back. Thanks for watching.